Wilde Week is the culmination of the Young Producers course. We've organised a 5-day event for local primary school children with 4 workshops each day, including drama, dance, junk modelling and clay modelling.
Hello, I'm Becky and I'm the Learning Participation and Community Engagement Coordinator here at South Hill Park. So this week we've nearly had 600 students join us at South Hill Park, which has been incredible.
I think Wilde Week is important because it helps children find their interest, because we have several workshops.
So they can explore stuff outside their comfort zone, whether it be dance, drama. It helps them really get in touch with their creativity.
It allows them to have confidence and creativity, and they can grow up, and these kind of things just help children to flourish into just incredible young people.
I learned a lot about how to produce events in Wilde Young Producers, and I know a lot more about kind of how to focus and help kind of focus people and get their interest and stuff, and how to communicate with people more.
I really liked junk modelling, for all the junk and the uses, and to stop all the animals eating it. I made a Portuguese manual and Juna made a starfish.
Lots of rubbish is going into the ocean, and so we want to try reuse that so then it doesn't go into the ocean.
My favourite part was where we got to do the clay modelling, because it was really fun making all those shapes.
And if there was one word to sum up today, what would that word be?
Amazing.
Exciting, fun, satisfying, super. Definitely amazing.